Be solution oriented, not just problem aware. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. We have mastered the art of identifying problems. In meetings, reports, and group chats, we can name what is broken with impressive accuracy. But problem awareness alone does not move an organization forward. It only describes why we are stuck. Progress begins when awareness is paired with ownership and action. Being solution oriented means shifting the question from what is wrong to what can we do with what we have. It means offering options, not just observations, proposing adjustments, not just complaints. Even small practical solutions, piloted, tested, and improved, create momentum that long discussions never will. In the workplace, especially in public service, our duty does not end at pointing out gaps. It extends to bridging them. A culture that rewards solution builds confidence, collaboration, and trust. A culture that only highlighted problems breeds fatigue and blame. So the next time we raise an issue, let us bring at least one possible answer with it. Awareness lights the room, but solutions open the great door forward. Thank you for watching.